Construction geometry is a great category of commands. Some examples are the possibility to sketch where no planar face exists and the possibility to combine construction geometry with other commands such as the cutting tool. You've got construction planes, construction axes, and construction points at your disposal, and within each category you find a set of commands. This gives you great flexibility when you sketch. Let's start with a simple offset plane. Select a face and your extend type to place it. You now have a new plane to work with. Construction plane at an angle works a little differently. Select a linear edge, axis or sketch line and then select your angle. It's obvious that you can use construction planes as sketch surfaces, but they are good for other things as well. Here I use a construction plane as splitting tool and divide my body into two bodies. Sometimes you need a new axis. The XI axis in the region are, for example, great to combine with other commands such as the circular pattern tools or when you work with joints. Use construct and axis through 2 points to set up a custom axis. A reference point can be a helpful aid in your work. With point along paths, you just have to select path and either a proportional or physical distance. Now you know the basics about construction planes. Keep moving forward and see you in the next lesson. Thank you.